Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a nurse practitioner and clinical educator here at Econos. Let's review how to get the best performance for your Kosmos device by walking through the settings and controls. Before we start scanning patients, let's make sure your device is optimized for the best possible imaging experience. I'll show you a few quick steps that will make a big difference in your scanning quality. First, let's check your device settings. Make sure all your required drivers are enabled. You'll find these in your system settings. Next, increase your screen brightness. This might seem simple, but it can make a huge difference in how well you can see those subtle details in your ultrasound images. Here's a pro tip. Switch your device to airplane mode. This prevents those frustrating interruptions from calls or notifications while you're in the middle of a scan, and it helps save battery life by ensuring the system isn't constantly trying to find a network to connect to. Keep in mind that in order to export to a DICOM destination, to update the Kosmos app, or to connect a new probe, you will need to connect to the internet. Also, double check that your volume is turned up so you can hear capture notifications and listen to Doppler audio if you are using those features. Next, let me show you how to adjust your imaging controls. The gain button is your friend for getting crystal clear images. Think of it as fine-tuning the brightness of different areas in your image. You'll notice when you tap gain, you get 3 controls. For the structures closer to the surface, slide the near field gain left or right. For the deeper structures, use the far field gain control. For the entire image, slide the gain control. Watch how the controls light up in orange when they're active. This helps you know exactly what you're adjusting. Notice that you can also adjust the overall gain by pressing and holding your finger on the gain control and sliding it right to increase gain or left to decrease gain. Just like gain, you can adjust depth by pressing and holding the depth button and sliding your finger up to increase depth or down to decrease. For example, on deeper organs that are cut off in the field of view, increasing the depth will help center them on the screen and see the furthest borders of the organ structure. Let's talk about recording clips. When you start recording, you'll hear a beep to let you know it's working. A second beep tells you the recording is complete. If you want to customize how long your clips are, head into Settings, tap Imaging Preferences, and adjust your clip duration from as short as 3 seconds to up to 30 seconds. Some users, based on their training, will want to change the way the ultrasound image is oriented. Users trained in cardiology will often scan with the orientation marker on the right hand of the screen, whereas some POCUS clinicians will be trained to scan with the orientation marker on the left. To switch the orientation marker, double tap to flip the marker to the other side. You can also change the orientation marker location in the settings. One more helpful detail, Kosmos uses orange highlighting to show you which controls are currently active, or when something is selected. This makes it super intuitive to adjust things like depth and gain right from your touchscreen. Here's a time-saving tip. Save your favorite clip settings for quick access later. These controls are designed to help you get the best possible images for your patients, and with a little practice, they'll become second nature. I hope this guide helps you feel more confident with your Kosmos device. You can find additional information in the Kosmos user guide at econos.com or reach out to your local Kosmos representative. We're here to help.